We are giving out certificates today, and I will explain to you very briefly what it's all about. Nobody can simply have this logo on their products. It has to be certified by the Ministry of Industry and Trade, because we need to ensure that the people who carry this logo have the genuine Fijian handicraft. As we know that there are certain handicraft in Fiji at the moment where shells are brought from Philippines or other countries, other handicraft are brought from other countries, and they are passed off as local handicraft. And obviously they are not genuine Fijian handicraft. We want to promote genuine Fijian handicraft. So like with the other brands that we've launched, Fijian Made, Fijian Grown, Fijian Sewn, Fijian Processed, Fijian Packaged, you have to go through certain certification processes. Today, we are giving out a number of certificates to artisans who have made handicraft from genuine Fijian material and have used their own skill sets and labor. And they have to go through a particular process to get the certification. I now have the much pleasure in handing out the certificates, because with this certification, we will know that these are the people who are selling the genuine handicraft. So when they walk into a shop, when the tourist sees that DVD on the screen in coming to Fiji, they will know that when they go and buy this handicraft with this logo, they're buying the genuine stuff. And that is very, very important. We believe that empowering people does not come from fancy speeches, political statements, making Fijians fight each other based on ethnicity, religion, whatever it is. We all belong to Fiji. We have our indigenous artisans who have indigenous articrafts and handicrafts that we need to promote, because at the end of the day, by promoting these skill sets that we have and showcasing it to the world, this is how we really empower people. We are able to promote them, we are able to showcase to the world not just their skill sets, but in terms of practical application, we are giving them the ability to have access to prosperity. If we are able to have authentic certification of these products, more people will want to buy it. If more people will want to buy it, we will have them working a lot more. They will probably go out and hire people. They will train their family members as to how to make various handicraft, and that creates jobs. And it means more money in people's pockets. It means prosperity. It is also at the same time keeping the culture alive. And that is very, very important. And we as Fijians, we must support all such initiatives that empowers all our citizens, in particular those people who have for a very long time been marginalized. I at the same time encourage the handicraft stores, the big shops, that they buy more genuine Fijian products, that they bring to this particular arena of the handicraft arena more collaboration with local artisans. Because by having collaboration with local artisans, they will in fact fetch a higher price. When a tourist knows that something is authentic, it's made in Fiji, they brought the salt from Lomowai, they brought the clay from Rewa or up Singatoka Valley, they know the shells have been picked from our beaches, people will be willing to pay more money. And that's a fact. And in order to maintain that value to the Fijian product, we all have to ensure that we are able to buy the authentic handicraft. So we look forward in the next few months with the focus on the Fijian crafted logo, that more and more business houses will work together with the local artisans to promote more local Fijian handicraft. The ministry itself will be continuing this effort. We have recently spoken to some business houses and also to AFL to ensure that we are able to showcase and be able to provide these materials, the genuine Fijian handicraft, even at our airport, just in case they miss out buying it in the towns and cities.